In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify age on Discord. If your account was locked because of an age check, the only way to fix it is to submit an appeal through Discord's official support site. I'll walk you through exactly what to do, what to include, and how to avoid the most common mistakes so you can get back into your account as quickly as possible. First, open your browser and go to support.discord.com, then navigate to the new request page. This is where you'll submit your age update request. In the first drop-down that asks what they can help you with, choose Appeals, Age Update, or Other Questions. In the next drop-down for issue type, select Age Update, Underage Appeal. The exact wording might look a little different depending on your region, but that's the correct category. Next, you'll need to prepare one photo that contains everything Discord requires in a single unedited image. Make sure your face is clearly visible, your valid government ID is shown, and you're holding a piece of paper that lists your Discord username, your user ID, and today's date. Take this as one photo, no screenshots, no edited or cropped images, and no separate photos. Use good lighting, avoid filters, and make sure all text is readable. Double check the spelling of your username and that the date matches today's date. If you can still log into the app and need your user ID, open Discord, go to Settings, find the Advanced section and enable Developer Mode. Then open your profile and select Copy User ID. Paste that ID onto the paper you'll hold in the photo so it's visible in the shot. Back on the support form, upload the single photo. In the description box, keep your message short and clear. You can write, "My account was locked due to age. I am over the minimum age and request an age update." Include any relevant details only if they help confirm your identity, but avoid adding extra information that isn't requested. Submit the ticket and keep an eye on your email for replies from Discord support. Response times are typically 1 to 5 business days, and they may ask for clarification if anything is unclear. Don't send multiple tickets for the same issue, as that can slow things down. Also remember that Discord will never ask for your password or send you a friend request to fix this. All communication happens through the official support site and email. That's it. Follow these steps carefully, be patient with the review process, and you'll give yourself the best chance of getting your account unlocked.